Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to log out of OnlyFans. If you're logged into your OnlyFans account and you'd like to log out or sign out of it, then the process is quite easy. Make sure that you're inside this main homepage of OnlyFans after you are in. And then from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. In the pop-up, you'll be able to see a log out button at the bottom. Simply tap on the log out button and wait for a few seconds, and then you'll be redirected to the login page for OnlyFans. If you ever wish to get back to the account, you can use the login method. Simply go ahead and enter the email address and password for your account, or sign in with your Twitter or Google account. That is how you should be able to log out or sign out of OnlyFans account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.